everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are going to show you the live price prediction of Enjin coin. What's the price change goes at this time in an Enjin coin, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Enjin coin, friends. Now friends, after we look the price predictions of the Enjin coin, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour change as in positive, last 1 day change as in positive, and the last 1 week change as in negative, friends. So that's mean those people who's buy an Enjin coin in the previous last 1 week, they are negative, and those people which are buy Enjin coin yesterday, so they are in the profit in the positive, friend. Now if we look the current price of the Enjin coin, so as you can see, the 2.12% USD dollar is the current price of Enjin coin, and the Bitcoin is about 0.00043 USD dollar is the Bitcoin price of the Enjin coin price. The market rank is about 61%. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of Enjin coin. Friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. That's very important for you. Kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel, friends. If we look the last 1 hour change, so as I told you that they are negative 0.164%, but now it's a jumping time of the Enjin coin starts now from the yesterday, as I show you the yesterday change as in positive, friends. Now they are fast down for a little time in the last 1 hour, and after a fast they are again take a jump, so don't worry about this, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction and try to detect the next move of the Enjin coin. What's the next goes in an Enjin coin, friends. So as you can see here, the last 1 day price change is about positive 15.9%, and the price is about 2.24 USD dollar is the price of Enjin coin, friends. I think they can easily hit 3 USD dollar and this April month. As you know, the last 1 day change from the yesterday, the explosion, the jumping time of the Enjin coin are again starts now, friends. So they can easily hit a 3 USD dollar in the month, friends. What's your opinion about that? Can they hit a 1 USD dollar in the April month or not, friends? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and friends, subscribe now ABS Tech channel if you don't, so kindly subscribe now, friends. If you look the next move of the Enjin coin, so as you can see here, a same process occur from the previous last 1 day. As you can see here, fast after fast take a jump, fast and after fast take a jump, friends. Same process here, fast after fast take a jump, friends. Same, and now they are in the jumping mode, friends. So if we look the average level change, so as you can see here, they are in the fast. As you can see here at this point, that is a resistance level, and that is a support level, friends. So hope they break this resistance level and cross a high price of Enjin coin. So what's your opinion about that? Kindly share in the comment box, and kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.